My farm is up ahead! Oh no! I'm stuck! The wheel won't move at all! Man, we got lucky! I need to call the rescue team now!
What happened here?
My truck almost fell into the river! We seriously need a bridge here!
Alright, leave it to me. I'll need a culvert pipe here so the water can flow underneath the road. Here comes the sand truck for the bridge foundation. Let's dump the sand right here.
Ho-ho!
Alright, I need more sand. Another load is here. This side of the bridge looks good. Now let's fill the other side. Perfect, the last load is here. The earthen bridge is done.
All set! Now you can haul logs across the bridge! So awesome! What? The wheel's sinking into the wet sand! This sucks! What am I gonna do now?
Mission for the next episode: build a sturdy concrete bridge.
At a river bridge. Ho-ho! Oh no, the bridge has collapsed. How can I get across now?
I'm in such a hurry.
Don't worry, we will rebuild the bridge right away.
The bridge girder erection truck has arrived. All right, crew, let's start building. It's in position. Drop the first girder now. It's in place. Now pull the truck back for the next girder.
We've got the second girder. Drive on button.
Nice, we're almost done. Just one last girder left. All girders in place. Our job is done.
That's so quick, then I'll be on my way.
Wait, let me finish the bridge properly. Done.
Oh!
What a solid bridge.
So modern.
Planet Nova 905-1B.
Hurry, buddy. We'll poison humanity with this parasite.
But their base is on the other side, and this bridge is half broken.
Come on, our car can make it.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
Space car has crashed. How do we cross the bridge now? Its wheels can turn 45 degrees.
We should test it out.
Don't worry, I'll go first. Look, I'm almost across. Oh no.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just continue the mission.
But there's only one span left. I need a new car. Roller car can cross the bridge. So dangerous. I've made it. Our plan can begin now.
Yesterday, Lego Town was hit by an Orbeez flood. It completely destroyed the main bridge of the town. Those outside are struggling to access the area.
Oh no, the bridge spans have collapsed. How do I cross this bridge now?
Please wait, we'll fix it right away.
I'm in a hurry, can't wait any longer. I hope Sloth Car can cross the bridge.
Ho-ho!
It's so scary. Those starving crocodiles are like waiting to eat me. Sloth Car made it.
Replay.
I need to quickly help everyone.
Meanwhile, workers are rushing to repair the bridge.
We need to hurry.
The repair is almost done.
The bridge is back to normal. I need to transport supplies into town. My relief truck moves so smoothly. Relief supplies are here.
We are safe.
How to build a disaster relief truck. Build the main engine. Build the truck wheels. Connect the wheels to the engine. Build the truck cabin. Assemble components. Add the battery box.